your mask?
Mask.
Check. So today is Veterans Day, November 11th, 2020, day after Marine Corps birthday. Of course, that came first. And we are gonna do some site scouting today for some family portraits that we're gonna take later on this month. But first, we have to celebrate a delicious breakfast. Of course, part of it paid for by Denny's because they are good to veterans on Veterans Day.
Expecting more fall foliage.
Yeah, I feel like we're late to this location because some of the leaves that are on the floor are yellow, which means that they probably fell already, but the ones that are on the trees, they're just not colorful enough. So, not really painting a good picture for us right now. We're gonna try another place, but I'm just admiring how pretty this place is.
Out of your Veteran Day.
It's cold.
It's a little chilly.
It's a little chilly. We're gonna keep looking though. Stallion Springs, very beautiful place.
This place is called Horse Thief Park. In case you're wondering.
A horse thief?
Horse Thief Park.
Thief.
Thief.
Oh, Horse Thief Park. Right now we're walking down the trail where we are thinking about taking some pictures. This is the third location where we're gonna be at, and I am literally walking with my gimbal as a selfie stick. It's ridiculous and is extremely heavy, so I would not go to Disney with this thing on, but for sure, since I'm only gonna be doing this for like maybe 20 minutes right now, I'm just gonna bear with it. It takes like 10 minutes to even balance this stupid thing, but once you balance it, you get really nice footage.
My balance. And you know, that's when the colors started to change.
Oh, you look so good. So what do you think?
I would rate it the highest of all the ones we saw, but it's still not the best. I was hoping for more red and orange trees, a lot of more leaves on the ground. I don't know. There are still a few homes in the background and some fence that I wish wasn't there. But it's better. I don't know if it's worth driving all the way over here for. Well, what do you think?
This is for sure the best place out of all the 3 that we've been to, but not it. Not it. We are heading out. Saw 3 locations. Not very successful because all 3 locations had just something that we couldn't like, something that we didn't really like about them. But we will keep looking. However, I will stop the vlog here. If you guys like this vlog, consider liking it and subscribing it. This is a family channel, so if you guys are into that kind of thing, you know, just consider tuning in for some more videos. And until next time, have a good one and peace.